So this was a short trip on my Interceptor up to Nandi Hills, and I had to park my bike just 1 kilometer below because they don't allow bikes on top of the hills. I think four-wheelers are allowed, and the ticket is 30 rupees. So you have to purchase a ticket to Nandi Hills, and you have to walk if you have a bike up to 1 kilometers to reach here. So the altitude is almost 1415. So it is good drive, lot of curves, and for bike solo drive it is recommended to come here not on the weekends but on the weekdays where the traffic is less, and you have got ample time to roam around the corners of this Nandi Hills. So catch you guys. Till then, stay blessed. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Automotive Technica and push the thumbs up button. Thank you so much. Hey guys, welcome to Automotive Technica. This is Yogesh here, and now I am at a special place, at the best place on the top hills of Bangalore. So drove my Interceptor here, and I am at an elevation of 1395. That is what my altimeter shows. But if you see, actually it's around 4851. So I'll just have a coverage of the scenic beauty of Nandi Hills. So guys, I'm on the top of Nandi Hills, and this is the scenic beauty from top of Nandi Hills. There's Ganesha temple there. So I'm at an elevation of 1412. And good to see the scenic beauty here. So this is Ganesha temple on the top of Nandi Hills, and this is Anjaneya Swami temple.
See the series monkey drinking water.
वो देखो पानी की बोतल कैसे पी रहा है ये
From the Nandi Hills top to the bike parking now. This is all like a jungle area, elevated at 1412 meters from the sea level. So this is the road for the four-wheelers. Here's a family of monkeys. Good to see them here. One guy is a bit away. So nice. Doggy drinking water. Save water, save life. So water is precious. So this is the entrance where you can go on the top of Nandi Hills. And this is the bike parking. And my Interceptor in the extreme end. It's here. So time to go to the pavilion now. Cold ಇದೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಬಿಸಿಲಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ home and here is the parked Interceptor. Hey guys, time to move on, and I'm going back home from Nandi Hills. This is the parking place. So bikes will be parked here and will not be allowed on top of the Nandi Hills. That's because a crowd, only four-wheelers can go. So on the Interceptor back now, back to Bangalore City.